Loop engineering is Volig's point of view on building software platforms that keep improving themselves. Most enterprise software platforms still run on human attention. Planning lives in one tool, code in another, deployment somewhere else, dashboards in another tab, cost in a spreadsheet, security in an inbox, and AI experiments outside the Gantt estate. The failure is usually quiet. Latency creeps. Idle environments keep spending. Access drifts. A feature ships, but nobody comes back to ask whether it moved the number. Volig's answer is a Gantt internal developer platform, one paved road for the whole life cycle. An idea becomes a track task. A golden template becomes a service. Tests, load checks, and security scans become gates. Release follows declared state, and production is observable from the moment it goes live. One identity holds the surface together. Access is controlled by group membership, not scattered user lists. Desired state is reviewed like code, reconciled automatically, auditable, and reversible. Then the platform becomes self-improving. Usage, telemetry, cost, and security signals feed a continuous cycle: observe, detect, suggest, prioritize, execute, and measure. This is loop engineering, the discipline of designing Gantt AI loops that watch a system, reason over fresh context, act through scope tools, and verify whether the action moved the signal. The AI is not a chatbot on the side. It is an operator with Gantt connectors into the warehouse, infrastructure, logs, traces, planning systems, and product analytics. It produces artifacts, dashboards, reports, widgets, and tracked work. Frontier models such as Fable 5 make this practical because they can sustain long horizon work, use real tools, run unattended, and verify outputs across many steps. The model is not rewriting itself. The system is improving. Each loop records failures, verifies facts, distills rules, and starts the next run with sharper memory. Trust comes from engineering. Maker and checker are separated. Every loop has a trigger, objective, scope tools, persistent memory, guardrails, a definition of done, and observability on its own cost, latency, and quality. Volig runs these loops across operational health, cost review, usage to improvement, access drift, security findings, and reliability. The loops gather the signal and frame the decision. Humans still make the trade-offs, but they begin with the picture already assembled. For developers, the road is faster. For SREs, the noise is prioritized. For analysts, insight is a sentence away. For platform admins, governance is provable. For leadership, the platform is legible. DevOps gave teams a safer way to ship. Loop engineering gives the platform the ability to improve itself on a cadence, with people supervising rather than driving every step. Volig designs and builds self-improving internal platforms end-to-end: the paved road, the Gantt identity layer, the observability backbone, the conversational data and AI surfaces, and the loops that keep the system getting better.